edging and kissing and nipple play and massaging is what I love the most in lovemaking, in playing, you know, just when you edge and you just relax and you connected, and you connected means your penis is in your partner's yoni. You are inside, and there are really good positions in that. The best one is, you know, the missionary position, when you go from that position into a sitting position while you're inside and you have your hands free. You can do so much with your hands. You oil up your hands, you massage the legs, the belly, the breasts. You can lean forward, kiss, suck the nipples, the breasts. You can lean forward and kiss. You can massage the entire body, or you can touch your own body. You know, when your hands are free. While you are inside, you can massage the yoni, you can massage the clit, you can massage the outer labida, you can just massage everything at the same time. While you are inside, you rock hard, your partner is in this deep state of pleasure, relaxation, arousal, without any need to go anywhere, just because you are there already. So kissing, massaging, nipple sucking, breast play is so profound because it adds to the pot. It adds to the neurological experience that you have. And that's true for your partner as well. So, but this is again where the teaming up dynamic needs to be in place. You need to understand that it only works when you are a team here. Yeah. So, and when, you know, the heat goes too high up, you just pause, you stop, and you breathe, and you allow yourself to relax into it. So, and then orgasmic stages come and goes in waves, and you just dive the waves together. You just play together on the wave and amplify your experience. So edging, kissing, massaging, nipple sucking, awesome. Do more of that. It's absolutely beneficial and worth playing with it. Edging is a very individual process and depends on so many different facts, depending on where you are as an individual. So I've been coaching individuals, couples, and professionals in this domain for over 2 decades. And if you would like to have any support, feel totally free to use the link in the video description and book a free discovery call to find out how I can support you best. Looking forward to talking with you. See you there.